Hello! Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an authentic VHS effect. All you need is VHS tape, VCR, and some little things I call dongles that connect to your computer and also connect to the VCR. Let me go get them. Here I have my VCR and cables, more cables. Cables. Now what I'm going to be doing is plugging video recorder into power. I think when I pulled it off my desk, it already had a videotape in it, so I'll just suck that out. I'll go grab a different videotape. So you are going to need an HDMI to composite AV converter. This one, the audio is broken on, so there will be no audio in the input when I capture it. So I'm going to connect this to the HDMI connector on my computer. There we go. I'm going to take one of my sets of audio-video cables. I'm going to connect the yellow guy into the yellow. I'm going to connect that to line in on your video cassette recorder. Let me go get a fresh video cassette. I have sequestered a videotape. I just put some tape on there. It's one of my old movies. Not a good movie. It's Girl Interrupted. Really weird. I didn't watch it, but my mom says it's bad, so I decided to record over it. I only bought it because of the the recording time that the videotape held. So the next step in your equation is one of these things. This thing takes an analog video signal and it allows you to turn it, provide data to your computer from that. And the video recorder that I'm using that's just connected to my webcam up here on my laptop, what it will do is it can switch to using the data from that video recorder, or the video capture card. So I'll just connect that, yellow, same, color-coded and all, and I'll plug it in to the USB jack on the right side of my computer. I've got the HDMI over here, USB over here, and random leftover cables, papers, etc. So now I shall switch over to the other part.
As you listen to the musical selections, note the clarity and excellent stereophonic separation between the left and right channels, even after traversing 12,000 miles through space.
Remix.
As you listen to the musical selections, note the clarity and excellent stereophonic separation between the left and right channels, even after traversing 12,000 miles through space.
I've switched to using my VHS camera as a camera source because it's going to be a ton of editing already trying to recover the audio and edit in some other stuff. So yeah, I decided just to grab my camera and use it for my camera source. There you can see my laptop. I'll trace the video stream, and goes in the back of the camera. There's the VCR, there's video cassettes and stuff. There's the HDMI to AV converter that goes into my computer there. So yeah, that's about it. And you should have a relatively nice VHS effect that you can use for any picture, video, etc. that you want. So, and it's the real thing. So yeah, ciao 73. Like and subscribe, please.